How to fix rising ringtone in Android. So if you want to fix the rising ringtone in Android, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Once you open up your settings, now you need to scroll down, go with the sounds and vibration option. Once you're under sounds and vibration, now you just need to simply go with volume adjustment per app and turn that on. Once you turn it on, now you just need to simply go with your calls section. And if you receive a call, then you can simply go and increase the ringing tone of that call by that single application. So if you open up your phone and if you've received a call, then you just need to simply go and increase the volume and it will be increased. But if you don't have that option, then here you will have the option of increasing incoming ringtone. So if you have the option, then you just need to simply go and toggle it on. But in my case, I don't have that option. But instead of that, I have volume adjustment per app so that I can adjust the volume, the particular application. But if you have the option of increasing incoming ringtone, then you just need to simply go for that and turn it on. Or you just need to simply go with the notification ringtone or phone ringtone and choose a ringtone which is loud enough. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.